in Northern California. We have wildfires all around us right now. Hi guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. Today Colton and I are going to show you how to do a DIY air purifier. Now, if you're not wanting to go out and spend $300 roughly on a purifier, this is a great, cheap, and simple way to make sure there's clean air in your house in the event of an emergency or just on a whim. Alright, so we are in Northern California. We have wildfires all around us right now. And there's people that their houses are being inundated with smoke. So today I want to show them how to put together a quick and easy air purifier from home with a simple box fan, some cardboard, 2 air filters, and some tape. All right, let's get started. All right, so we got our cardboard pre-cut here because I wanted this video to be nice, quick, and easy for you guys. We're gonna get started by taping on the first piece. Thank you, Colton. You're going to run a strip of tape along the top. I'm just using just a normal masking tape. See that, Colt? All right. You're going to tape it right along the edge. Okay, this is nice and simple, guys. Now make sure you're putting the filters on the back of the fan, and my reason for having the filters doubled up like this, it's allowing for more airflow to the fan. If you have one of the air filters that's really thick, it'll cause the fan to heat up a lot, so allowing more air to flow into the fan will keep it nice and cool. Alright folks, so we got the 2 14 by 18 by 1 air filters mounted on the back of this box fan. A little bit of cardboard and tape, and you have yourself an air purifier. All right, now remember, this is an air purifier in a pinch. Okay, it will clean the air in your room, and it's not going to cost you $300. Your local Home Depot, Lowe's hardware store will have a box fan and some filters, and you can put yourself together a quick purifier for about $35. We have a lot of folks in Northern California right now that are suffering from smoke inhalation and waking up with headaches and everything else. This will help. If you like what you saw here today, make sure to like and subscribe to Kirshner FarmStead, and look forward to seeing you again in the future. Stay safe out there, guys. Have a good evening. Good night.